So today we'll be starting on dates. What are dates in Java? So I have created a class JDate and in this there is a main function. Now here just use date. I've already imported it from the utils from Java and here I do date, then I do current date and in this I do new date. Simple as that. And now I just do some dot out dot current date. So this would give you the date. Simple as that. Now let's move further and talk about different methods which we have in date. Now if I just do long millis, inside that I do some dot current time in millis. Millis mainly is milliseconds, right? And I just do date inside date from millis and I just do new date from millis and I just try to system.out.diff date from millis from millis. I think this is a smaller d date from millis and I just do system dot. You see, both of the data are same because one is directly recreated and another is from millis, and this gives us the current time in milliseconds. Then now I can also generate date like this. Date is equals to date one, and I just do new date 2023 comma 1 comma 23 semicolon. I'm getting an error here because why am I getting error here? I should have deprecated replaced by calendar set here. This is so this is deprecated now. Use calendar set. I guess this one is deprecated now. So not to worry guys when we are here. There is another thing which we can use. Java dot time dot local LocalDate. And one more thing which I'll be needing would be Java dot time dot month. It is month month. So what did we do? I write local date. I write date one is equals to local date dot off. Here I enter the 2023. Then I do comma. Then I do month dot January dot comma mainly, and I just do system dot print dot ln, and in this I do date one. Let's just do it. Aha! It is like this. Okay. Now what if I want to plus a date in this? I want to get another date. So what I just do, I do local date next day is equals to date one dot plus days and do one. And I just do system dot out dot this next day. 24, 25. We can also use or check basically is the date before or is the date backwards. So for that we use, and it would definitely be returning Boolean, right? So is before, is before, and inside that I do date one dot is. If you see, we have so many different things. We can check is it a leap year. We can check is it equal, is before, is after. So let me just check for after before, and I do for next day. Definitely it should return true. Also check for is after false. It is checking is the date one is after the date of next day. So it is definitely false, right? Because date one, this one is before obviously this day because we have added. One more thing which we also usually use is something known as put java dot text dot format. Oh, sorry, simple state format. This is mainly a formatter which we can use to convert from one to another, like it is done like uh, simple date format. In that, I do original format, and in this I do new simple date format. In that, I just add this. This I do EEE, MM, then there is DD, this is DD, then this is HH, then you just is MM, this is SS. You must be getting what I'm trying to do here, right? This is the mainly format which we get in date. This one. Cool. Huh. Then another one which we have is, let me just copy it only and say paste this here, and I just do second format, and in this format we have the another format, right? Year, then we have then we have TD. Okay, now I have this date one in this format and I want to convert it in the basic format, right? So I just do string, and in that I do date for date 3, and in that I am going to do second format dot format, and inside this I'll be giving it the origin. In that I'll be giving it the date 1. Yeah, this. So if I just do system dot out dot print 3 and I try to do date 3, so what is the output I get? As expected, I get error. What is the error? The main lang illegal experiment cannot format given object as a date. Okay, date 1. Okay. Sorry. Current date, because this is something which I have in this format. Second one, it would be working with this one. Here it should be current date. Yeah, see, this is the current date, and it is converted into number format because the second format was this one, and this is the date one. This is the date one. and I want to convert it into the another format. This one, like